Hi everyone, I am Engineer Melvin Astubal, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering at Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Maragondon Campus. So right now, I am the president and owner of the MJRB Engineering Services Trading and Consultancy. So my education at PUP helped me achieve my current career goals. Ang isa ko natutunan when I was in PUP is yung pagtatiyaga. So sa baon, sa pagpila, sa pag-aaral, pagpupuyat. Yan yung binigay sa akin ng PUP, ang pagiging matatag at ang pagiging matyaga. Kaya noong 2010 hanggang 2020, almost 3 yung naging trabaho ko. Na-build ko yung MJRB Engineering Services Trading and Consultancy at ako yung owner and president of that company. And until now, madami pa rin akong project na ginagawa, mostly from institutional and industrial facility. Malaking tulong ang PUP sa akin. So sabi nga, salat sa yaman, pero ang hanap ay dunong. So at this point, nandun pa rin tayo. So continuous learning, continuous adaptability, and tuloy-tuloy pa rin, hindi tumitigil. So naroon yung magkaroon ka ng sariling roadmap kung paano mo ma-achieve yung goals mo. So yun yung natutunan ko nung ako estudyante pa sa PUP. At hanggang ngayon, ina-adapt ko pa rin siya na huwag kang susuko at ilagay mo lahat sa Panginoon ang iyong pangarap. Kaya ako ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Maragondon Campus. PUP yan ako, tagumpay ako.